Another method of measuring angles uses minutes and seconds in place of the decimal part of a degree measurement. This method goes back to the early days of astronomy, and it is still used in some places there today. So, when you're measuring the movement of things in orbits, like planets or asteroids, it makes sense to use a measurement system that has a connection to time. So this system is based on two conversion factors. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, which makes 1 degree equal to 3,600 seconds. The conversions here are exactly what you're used to doing with time measurements, just with degrees in the place of hours. So 1 degree equals 60 minutes, just like an hour would, and 1 degree equals 3,600 seconds, just like an hour would. Now, notice the notation here for our two units. We use a single apostrophe for minutes and a double apostrophe, looks like a quotation mark, for seconds. So let's try some conversions. All right, to convert decimal degrees, first you leave the integer part alone. That's always going to be the same in both versions. So I'll split the number into the integer part and the decimal part. 212 degrees plus 0.563 degrees. Next, I'll take the decimal part and multiply that by 60 minutes per degree. That makes this 212 degrees. And if you multiply this out, this is plus 33.78 minutes. Right now, I do the same thing again. Split the decimal part out. This is 212 degrees plus 33 minutes plus 0.78 minutes. And now I multiply this by its conversion factor. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute, and that gives me my final answer. This is 212 degrees, 33 minutes, 0.78 seconds, right? And that's going to be my final answer. Well, wait a minute. I'm sorry. I didn't do the multiplication. You probably wonder where that number came from. 0.78 times 60 is 46.8. So that should be 46.8 seconds. All right. So let me clean this up now, right? And let you try one, right? Underneath here, there you go, 97.431 degrees. Try converting that into degrees, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so first, right, I'm going to split this up, right? I'm going to make this 97 degrees plus 0.431 degrees, and then I'll multiply this by 60 minutes per degree. And this becomes 97 degrees plus, let's see, 25.86 minutes. And then I'll split it the same way again. 97 degrees plus 25 minutes plus 0.86 minutes, right? And then apply our final conversion factor. Multiply this by 60 seconds per minute, and we get my final answer, 97 degrees, 25 minutes, 51.6 seconds. And there's my result. Okay, so that's degrees into hours, minutes, and seconds, right? How about going the other way? So here I've got a number that's already in degrees, minutes, and seconds, and I want to convert it back into degrees. All right, well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to treat this like it's got three parts. All right, the degrees part, the 14 degrees, that's fine, just the way it is. Now, I'm going to add, let's see, 22 minutes times, let's see, there's 1 minute in 60 degrees. So that's going to convert that, excuse me, I got that upside down. 1 degree per 60 minutes. That'll do the same thing with the hours. Plus 32.1 times 1 degree per 3600 seconds. Now you get your calculator out, right? You put these numbers into your calculator and you get 14.359 degrees. And there's our answer, right? Okay, so let me give you one, right? Take a look at that. I'm going to clean up while you work on this, right? Then we'll go over it together. So I'm going to do exactly the same process. I'm going to leave the 78 alone. That's fine. 78 degrees plus 12 minutes times 1 degree in 60 minutes plus 3.1 seconds times 1 degree in 3600 seconds. And now you go to your calculator. Right, this is 78.201 degrees. All right, now that we've got our measurement systems in place, right, we're ready to start talking about the three primary trigonometric functions.